What is good, ladies and gentlemen? It is your favorite guy, Mr.BrownGuy. You know it, I know it. And today, I'm gonna implement a real cheat meal just for you. When bulking, there's two ways to do a cheat meal. It's the right way or the highway. If you do it wrong, you'll just gain a lot of fat that you just can't get rid of. So that's why I expect you to eat clean when bulking. Now if you are ready, let me show you how to make some real muscle burgers. You ready for it? Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon for much more just like this.